What's up guys, my name's Tennant. I've been playing drums my entire life and I've been recently endorsed by Collision Drumsticks. The band that I'm in is Sydney Irving and the Mojo. We're mainly a rock band, but we also play a ton of different styles of music. As a drummer, I've tried a ton of different kinds of sticks, different sizes, different brands. And recently I've settled on Collision 5Bs. And I've been very impressed with the quality and durability and overall feel of the sticks as I've played through tons of different gigs. I currently play the Collision 5Bs. They're my favorite stick because of how versatile they are. They allow me to play all different types of music, especially the styles that I play. They fit exactly what I need perfectly. Now, Collision is awesome for so many reasons. One, they have a ton of different options of sticks. And they also have a bunch of custom options where you can create your own size and shape of stick. You can also put your brand, logo, or signature on their sticks too, which I think is really cool. Now, Collision isn't just awesome because of the great sticks that they make. They're also an amazing company because of the community of drummers that they support and how supportive of a brand that they really are. Collision is all about supporting the drumming community for all different types of drummers who play different styles and all different drummers around the world. Because of this, Collision has created 3 different endorsement levels depending on your drumming career. I think it's really cool that Collision understands that not everybody is an internationally touring drummer. They're able to fit the needs of every drummer for every style around the world. As I've worked with the Collision brand, they've been very supportive. They reach out a lot. They're very great to work with. They have an amazing team, and I'm super excited to be working with this company. I want to thank Collision Drumsticks for welcoming me as an endorser. I'm extremely thankful for their support and all they do for the drumming community. I'm very proud to be part of the Collision company, and I encourage you to try out some Collision sticks for yourself because they will not disappoint. They are absolutely awesome. The song I'm about to play for you is called Rain by Sydney Irving and the Mojo. It's one of my favorites that we play. And I really hope that you enjoy it.
I guess I'll never know where I'm going from here. In the light, let it die, resting on illusion too far on.